At AutoMobility Store, we help people regain their independence through quality wheelchair-accessible vehicles. Today, we're breaking down the key differences between automatic and manual side entry conversion vans, so you can make the best choice for your needs or a loved one's mobility. Let's start with automatic side entry vans. These vans feature a power sliding door, an automatic ramp, and often a kneeling system that lowers the van for easier access. With just the press of a button on the key fob or inside the van, the whole process is smooth, seamless, and fast. Here are the pros for the automatic side entry vans. First, ease of use. They're ideal for independent drivers or caregivers who want convenience. Second, speed. Automatic operation saves time. Third, accessibility. Great for users with limited strength or mobility. And fourth, remote operation. Control the van without leaving your seat. Here are some of the cons for an automatic side entry van. First, cost. Typically, they're more expensive up front. Second, maintenance. More moving parts equal more potential repairs. And third, battery dependency. Requires power. Issues can arise if the battery dies. Now let's take a look at manual side entry vans. These vans use a manually operated sliding door and a fold-out ramp or an in-floor ramp that the user or caregiver must deploy by hand. Simple, effective, and dependable. Here are some of the pros for the manual side entry vans. First, affordability. They typically have a lower upfront cost. Second, reliability. Fewer parts means fewer things to break. Third, simplicity. Easy to use for caregivers or where power is not needed. Here are some cons for the manual side entry vans. First, manual effort. Requires strength to operate. Second, not ideal for solo users. Independent wheelchair users may struggle without help. And third, no kneeling feature. Higher incline on the ramp may be tougher for some users. Here's a side-by-side breakdown to help you decide what's right for you. Choosing between an automatic and manual van depends on your lifestyle, level of mobility, and budget. If you're an independent driver or prioritize convenience, an automatic van may be the way to go. But if you have a caregiver and want something more budget-friendly and simple, a manual option could be perfect. Need help finding the right fit? Call AutoMobility Store at 800-431-3183 or visit automobilitystore.com. We're here to help you get moving again with the freedom you deserve.